front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Apps over here. When you're ready, select App Twin option and click on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Then wait and go back. As you can see after that, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can always go into the same settings and tap on the no blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!